Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So welcome to the another part of the C programming video. So in this session only, whatever things we will just cover, I think I already just it is already visible to you all guys. So in this part only, so today I'm just going to just explain all about that the C syntax. Okay, and what is the header file? What are the main functions? So all these things we are just going to just explain each and everything. I'm just going to explain. All right. So don't waste the time. So let's start from the beginning. Okay. So what is the C syntax? You guys, please just pause your video. Just pause the video. If you know the if you know the answer, please just write on your note copy. Yes, please just write on a note copy. Oh, after seeing my answer, so please just write on a note copy. Yes, think that this one is your online class. Not you are not just listening the recorded video. Okay, so right now, so let me just move to the next page. Let me just move to the next page. See, see, see. This one is me, myself. I'm just writing. Okay, so those who are just like me, they will just see the code. Okay, they will just see the code and they will just write the code also. They will just copy this code. Okay, like me only. See this person, this person, this person is just copying this code. Okay. So see, so this one is specifically, this one is the basic program. Okay. So which will be show the output as a welcome to the VKS channel. Right. So this one is the simple syntax to write the C program. Right. So I will just explain each and everything. What is the hatch? What is that include? What is this angular symbol? Okay. What is this stdio? And what is the dot h part? Okay. So and what is the region behind of these to write all these things? Okay. And all these things has include conio dot h, right? So similarly, what is the int main and why this parenthesis bracket is written here, right? So all these things I will just explain right now only. So listen, be carefully, okay? Because this course will be just is I think I'm first time this type of content I'm just uploading because you will not find this type of content in the YouTube. One or two, more than one or two channel you may be fine, might be fine. Maybe I don't know. Okay, that channel name, but you will never find this type of content. Okay, so please listen carefully. Just listen carefully. Okay, so you already know. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So you already know. You all guys do already know what is the has. Yes, yes. You already know what is the has. Yes, what is the has. Yes, some of you just answer like this. Some of you just answer like this. What the preprocessor directive. Preprocessor directive. Everyone they just know this one is the preprocessor directive. Okay, but they don't know how it will be what here, right? So if I will just move, if I will just remove this hash part, na, so it will be not to one because preprocessor is the one of the having one of the most important role in this syntax only. So if you just remove this part, then it will be what? It will give the what error only. The next part, it is written that include. What do they include? So he just want to include this preprocessor directive with whom? With this stdio.h only. Okay, so right now the question will become. Listen carefully. Those who know the answer, please just delete that because you know half of the knowledge. So right now I'm just going to just deliver the lot of the things. The each and everything I will just deliver. So why the point is written, each and everything. I will never skip one single point. Okay, so if you know the half knowledge, just delete it and just listen this listen my voice and watch my video. Okay, just with a empty memory because I'm just going to give you the proper data, right? So here this hash is nothing but the preprocessor directive. And again, so this preprocessor directive, it include, okay, it include with whom? It include with like stdio. Okay, what is the stdio? Yes, anybody who can just answer me. What is stdio? stdio is nothing but the standard input and output. Standard input and output. Some of the people, they just ask me, sir, why you are just, what is the preprocessor directive and all these things? Because they don't know the things. Okay, everybody can just write the code. Everybody can, they already know how to just execute the code, but they don't know the basic things. So why we are just writing all these things, right? So this person, who is this person? Can you just tell me who is this person? Header file only. Okay, some of you just answer that this one is the header file only, or you can just say that this one is the extension part, right? This one is the extension part. Now, so here, this has, which will be include these things, right? So here, has include conio.h. Why this I'm written? Because some of you, they just written that conio.h. Okay, so but they don't know why just written. They only know this one is the, these two are the header file only. Yes. So total how many functions are there? Total how many functions are there? So near to 25 functions are there. But the thing is what we need to know na, each and everything. Okay, so if you know the details things, then you are just if you are just solving the each and every code, then no worry, because you know the basic things. Okay, if you run the code, but anybody will just ask you, so why, how this one will be execute, but you need not be, you are unable to just explain that things. So no, means it is not required to gain some of the like half of the knowledge, right? So has include directive, this has part is nothing but the preprocessor directive, which is just included what standard input and output. Okay, which is just included what the standard input and output. So here this has include directive tells that okay, the preprocessor to include the contents of the standard input and output header file. Okay, standard input and output header. So here this totally is known as the standard input and output header. So which is just closed under the, which is just closed under the, which is just closed, let me just change what, which is closed under what, which is closed under the angular symbol, you can say angular symbol. Okay, angular symbol. So this one is the angular symbol, you can say. This header provide function like this header, which one, this standard input and output. This header which will provide what, which will be provide the printer, which will be provide the printer and scanner scanner. Do you know the things? Okay, so let me now I will not say you, okay, I will tell you here only. Okay, when I will just come here. Okay, so now clear. So here it include this standard input. Why this preprocessor include this part? Because this part is already include what, these two parts, Similarly, this has include and .conio.h. What will the conio? Conio stands from what? Console. What is the console part? Wherever you are just showing the output. Okay. So if I'll just execute this part, so in the black screen, so it will show the welcome to the VKS channel. So that screen part, okay. So that one is the console part. Okay, so whenever just you are using the Turbo C++, so that one is a very old version compiler, right? That one is the old version compiler. But here you are using a lot of means modern compiler. Modern compiler means what? Updated compiler. No need to just write the header code. Also, no need to just write this header part, because by default it is already run in that part. You can just start from the main function also. But if you are using the Turbo C++, then you need to just write these things. All these things you have to just write. Also in Turbo C++ only, you have to just write the conio.h. Because listen carefully. Listen carefully. Do you know what is the conio.h? Yes. Do you know what is the conio.h? Because in this part only, listen, in this part only, you have to know each and everything. And listen, if you have any doubt, so please just ask me in the group only. You will just find the group link in the description part. Repeatedly, I'm just saying you will just find the group link in the description part. If you will not find the group link, so please just comment me in the comment box. Okay, I will just respond to your comment also. Okay, so conio.h. What is the conio.h? So each function is what? To reading the, means whatever input we are just giving in the keyboard. Okay, with the help of the keyboard. Okay, so it means, so the console will be held that. to read that input only. Okay, to read that input only. And also in the screen we are just writing something, we're just writing something. Okay, so here this console.h na, so it will be just help to what, to write the text on the screen only, right? Also this console, this punyo.h. Okay, so this person also it will be help to clear the screen. Means if you just execute any program, okay, before this, let's assume that I'm just executed one program, so there is will be one output for that program only. Okay, so this punyo.h na, so it will just automatically clear that previous output while coming the upcoming new output, right? Also, so there is a many more roles having the Tonio.h. But nowadays, the what means the modern compiler came. Okay, so no need to just write the Tonio.h. No need to just write. Clear? So I think you already clear. So here has and include and why in this angular bracket, what is the things related? I think you already clear. Again, I'm just repeatedly saying, so preprocessor directive, which is just include the standard input and output header. Okay, whereas this .h is the extension part. Okay, so this stdio is nothing but means it is by default, it is what it is storing the printf and the scanf. Okay, so this part is this similarly this onio.h is the same thing only. It will be help you to what, to read the means whatever input we are just giving with the help of that keyboard only. So we can just eligible to read that one. So we can also write some of the text on the screen also. Okay, so nowadays no need to just write all these things. Okay, so if you are just writing any program, so only just write the has include stdio.h. It is sufficient only, right? Very good. So now let's come to this part. Who is this person? Yes, who is this person? I don't know. You know? Do you know this person? Who is this person? Yes, this person. This person is nothing but the function only. This person, he is nothing but the function only. Okay, which function? Main function. Now the main concept is clear. What? So when the program actually the execution of program started, execution of program is started, whenever the computer will be see this part, see this function part, so now computer understand, now the system understand, so now only, so I have to just execute each and every code or logic. So the execution of the command or execution of the code beginning starting from here only, the main function only. So after the main function, so I'm just using the curly bracket. Listen, don't be confused. Whatever just I'm just explaining now. So all these things I'm just already just mentioned in this PPT only. I will just give you that PPT notes also. Okay, means give you means what? I will not provide you on offline because you need to just write all these things on your copy simultaneously, right? So here, so this one is the function. Okay, so why I'm just written here in, okay, specifically I will just create another video for the int and void. Okay, so I will just clear in that time only what is the int and what is the void. But right now you have to understand here this int main is nothing but the one of the function. This one is the function. This one is the function. Okay, this one is the function. So you can say listen carefully. You can say this main function, okay, it is the entry point of the program. Please just write on a note copy. It is the entry point of the program. Entry point of the program. Okay, so it's where the execution will be started. Here, the execution process will be started. Execution process will be what? It will be start only. It will be start. Here, this person who is just stand before the main only. This one is the int only. What is the int? Yes, it indicates that the function returns an integer value. Okay, the function return an integer value to whom? Yes, to whom? To the operating system. To the operating system, it will be returned. Please just write whatever just I'm theoretical saying na, please just write on a copy because right now you will just understand each and everything because right now I'm just explaining. Okay, so you have to just write whatever things I'm just explaining. Yes, int, what is the int? So here int indicates Okay, int indicates that the function returns an integer value to the operating system. To the operating system. Clear? So here, next point. So this line completed, this line completed, and this line also completed. Let's come to this part. What is this? This one, curly bracket. What is the curly bracket? So here, the opening, this one is the open curly bracket. This one is the open curly bracket, right? So it marks that the beginning of main function block of the code. Means now we just enter inside the code. Okay, so inside the code. So here, this one is the open curly bracket. Now I just enter inside this one. Now what I saw that print F formatted. Okay, this one is the formatted. F stand for format. F stand for format only. So here I have to print this output in a specific format only. Clear? So print F. So now F stand for the format. You guys just tell me. Honestly, you have to just answer that things. Do you know this thing also? 90. I challenge 90% of the student. They know the code, how to just write the code, but they don't know the basic things. First of all, you have to just clear the basic things. Then after that, slowly we'll just improve the what our level, right? So printf is nothing but the format. F is the format only, right? So the printf, what is the printf? Yes, what is the printf? By default, it is stored also here. It is present here only. Okay, so whenever just will write printf, so it will show the output or it will display the output in the screen only. Clear? It will be display the output in the screen only. So this printf function is used to print the formatted output to where? To the console part. Okay, what is the console? This conio.h. This conio part is the con. Conio is nothing but the what? The console only. In this case, it prints what? Welcome to the VKS channel. Followed by the what? This n. Okay, I think some of you just having confusion, but what is the slash n? This slash n stands for the new line only. This slash n stands for the new line. So if you want to print means like this, means for example, if I will just write slash n here, okay, so it will be print like this. Welcome to, then slash n will execute, then VKS channel. Okay, it will be print like this only. Clear? Okay, so now what is the return zero? What is the return zero? Again I'm just saying that I will just create one video so that you will just clear, like some of people, they are just writing the void main and some of people they are just writing the int main. So what is the difference in between that only? Okay, I will just explain, so no need to worry. Return zero is nothing but what? So here only the machine will be understand. So the program, whatever logic or whatever statement you are just written, so here only the statement is going to what? Going to stop only here. Clear? Going to stop only. So this line return an integer what? It is return the zero only. To whom? To the operating system. So it indicates that what? Successfully execution is done. So here the return value other than zero usually indicates an error only. So if you write anything, so it will show the error only. Okay, so here zero indicates what? The execution part is successfully done. And now what is this one? So this one is what? So upper part is the what? Open curly bracket, and this one is what? The close curly bracket. This one is the what? Close curly bracket. The close curly bracket mark the end of the main function. Okay, now here the main function is ended right now. Right now this function work is done. Okay, so starting from the function, whenever just we enter inside the function, so one of the block is there. This block, this one is the block inside the open bracket and close bracket. So this total part is nothing but the block only. This one is the block only. Clear? Right? So here now, do you know what is the compile? So now I will just compile all this. Okay, I will just compile. So now the compilation process will be done. Now the compilation process will be done. Okay, to execute the program, you first need to compile it. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so what we have to do? what you have to do? So if you will just compile that thing, na, so it will totally scan this total program and it will show total how many error are there. So if there is any error, then you have to just rectify it. If you don't have any error, then you have to then again click onto the run. Whenever the program will be run, na, so after that it will show the output like welcome to the VKS. Clear? Clear or any doubt right now? So whatever things I just theoretically explained, na, whatever things I just theoretically explained, so just move to the next part. Just move to the next part. Now see. So if you don't write, please just take the screenshot this part. Just take the screenshot because whatever things I just written here, just take the screenshot. This person, myself here sitting, and just whatever things I just written, I'm just note out all these things. Yes, I'm just taking the screenshot only. You guys just take the screenshot. Okay. So I hope you already take the screenshot. Okay, let move to the next part. Okay, whatever things I just explained, all these things written in the theoretical things. This include directive is nothing but the has include directive tells the preposition to include the content of the standard input and output. And this header provides functions like printf and scanf for the input and output operations. Right? So what is the int main? So main function is entry point of the program. It's where the execution will be start. The int before main function indicates that the function return an integer value. To whom? To the operating system. To whom? To the operating system. Clear? To whom? To the operating system only. So here, so this one is the standard input. So in this standard input, it will provide what? It provide two functions. One is the print function, another scan function. Specifically, scanf. Scanf is a help us to what? To take the input from the user only. Okay, whenever the computer will be asked to type some of the means input, so here scanf role is coming. Scanf will be give you the permission to give input, right? So with the help of the keyboard only. Now this one is the open bracket and close bracket, curly bracket. So whenever just you are writing any function, main functions, so then after that you are writing the curly bracket, then any statement you are just writing, then after that close bracket. So this open bracket and close bracket, I think you already know. The open curly bracket marks the beginning of the main function, and the close bracket curly bracket marks that end of the main function. Clear, everyone? Okay. So I'm just taking a lot of time to create all these things. Please don't waste my means all this time. If you guys just understand each and everything, then I will thought that means whatever time I just invested, okay, to create all these things, okay, I think this time is saved for me. Right? So next point. What is the next point? This one. The print, hello world. Okay. So if you just write the print hello world. So whatever things, so it will be print what? So it will be print that these things. It's like a print function is used to print what? The formatted output. Clear? This last n used for what? New line only. This last n used for what? The new line only. New line means what? You can say the next line only. If this one is the first line, then it will automatically start from this line. This is the first line, this is the second line. Now, return 0 is what? This line returns an integer value to the operating system. It indicates successful execution, and a return value other than 0 usually indicates an error only. Remember this part. It is always, or if you will just write at the place of the 0 anything, then it will return what? Error only. Clear? So I think, hope you already get whatever things I just explained. Clear? So please just write your note copy and just practice it. So this is the syntax of the C program. So I just explain each and everything. So from next video onwards, I will just explain another new concept. So basic concept we have to just cover. Then after that, you will just go for the intermediate and advanced version. Fine. Clear? So if you have any doubt, go for the comment section, or else you can just go for the description part. You will just find my WhatsApp link. You can easily connect with me. So a lot of teachers, they are just available in that. Also, your friend is available that. So if you have any doubt, they will just also respond also, or else I will just respond. Clear? Good. So bye-bye. So in the next video part, I will just meet you. Bye.